The landscape of cybersecurity is evolving. It's not just about single tools anymore.
Exactly, Brutus. We're moving toward a future where platforms integrate all aspects of security. It's like orchestrating a symphony rather than just playing a solo.
I see your point. A platform approach would eliminate the disjointedness that comes with using multiple tools.
Precisely. Think of it as building a fortress. Each tool is a brick, but a platform is the architecture that holds everything together.
It's about creating a seamless environment where everything communicates and works together.
Yes, and beyond just communication, it's about enhancing the capability of developers to secure their work from the start. It's proactive, not reactive.
That sounds ideal. It would certainly change the game in terms of product security.
And that's the future we're building towards. A future where security is not an afterthought, but a foundational element of development.
Reading that Forbes article really hit home the limits of a tool-centric approach in cybersecurity.
It's a wake-up call. The Frankenstack phenomenon is real. We've been piling tools upon tools, creating more problems than solutions.
And the irony is we're doing it in the name of security, but in reality we're just adding complexity and vulnerability.
Exactly. That's why shifting to program-centric platforms is not just a choice, but a necessity. It's about simplifying the process to empower developers.
I agree. A streamlined platform approach would cut through the noise, making security a seamless part of development from the start.
That's the future we need to build towards, where security and development are not at odds, but aligned in creating safer, more robust products.
It's going to be a challenging journey, but the benefits of a platform-centric approach in cybersecurity are undeniable.
And we're just the team to take on that challenge. By leading the shift, we can redefine product security for the better.
It's clear that the shift to program-centric platforms is more than a trend, it's a strategic necessity.
Absolutely, Brutus. It's about embedding security into the DNA of software development, making it inherently safer from the outset.
That Forbes article really hammered home the inefficiency of the tool-centric approach. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with pieces from different sets.
Exactly. And the Frankenstack issue? It's a vivid depiction of the chaos too many tools can cause, hindering rather than helping.
We need to streamline to bring clarity and cohesion to the process. Reducing noise is crucial for our developers' productivity and innovation.
And shifting from reactive to proactive security, it's not just about patching holes, it's about building impenetrable walls.
Increasing transparency too. We can't defend against what we can't see. A platform approach sheds light on hidden threats, making them manageable.
Investing in culture is another key point. A people-centric approach means empowering our team to embrace security as part of their craft.
Encouraging this change is essential. It's about leading by example, showing the tangible benefits of integrating security into every phase of development.
The journey won't be easy, but the destination, a future where product security and development are seamlessly integrated, is well worth the effort.